Number 8, we got a curve here, 3x squared plus x minus 2. Oh, it's quadratic, and they pass us through the point 2, -7. Find the equation of the curve. This is the derivative, so we're going to do integration, work it backwards. And keep in mind, we've got to find c after we do that. So this is going to be 3 times, we'll get x to the third, so that's going to be a 1/3. Then this is going to be x squared, so that's going to be a 1/2. And then this is going to be minus 10x. All I got to do now is multiply this, and I'm going to find out that my original indefinite is x to the third plus 1/2 x minus 10x plus c. Now I got to find c. I'm going to sub in a point. Well, they gave me one. That was nice. So all I do is replace the x and the y and get the c by itself. And I find out that c is going to equal 3. And once I know that c equals 3, all I got to do is rewrite my original equation and put the c at the end, and I'm good to go. So look at B. B says find the set of values for x with the gradient of the curve is positive. So this basically means find the x values that are going to cause the slopes to become to become positive. And we use the derivative to find slopes of curves like this. So basically what we're going to do is find the x's that cause the derivative to be greater than 0. So we'll rewrite the derivative here, 3x squared plus x minus 10, and it's going to be greater than 0. This is a quadratic inequality. So keep in mind, when we're solving a quadratic inequality, we're going to find the x-intercepts, the zeros. We're going to draw a quick sketch. And then we're going to find out where the x's are that are actually answering the question. In this case, they're when are the x's greater than 0? Cause the graph to be greater than 0. So I can factor this. I'm going to find out that my two x-intercepts are going to be -2 and positive 5/3. I do a quick sketch. -2, 5/3. I know it's positive. It must open up. So now there's 2 ways to do it. If you can just see that the x's obviously have to be on the outside, the result in the curve being above 0. Or you can use the test point 0, which happens to be in the middle here. So we're testing the points in the middle. And if I replace my inequality x's with zeros, it's going to end up saying -10 is greater than 0. Well, that's not true. So that means that the middle is not where my answers are. The x's must be on the outside. And so my x's are all greater than 5/3, or they're going to be less than -2. The word or is important. All right, hope that helps, and thanks for watching.